Today we shall discuss another mathematical identity. Mathematical identity is x plus h and to x plus b. It means that x will be multiplied with x plus b. So x and to x plus b. Now plus a will also be multiplied with x plus b. Now x and x will be multiplied, so it will become x square plus bx and a will also multiplied with x, so it will become ax and plus ab. Now here x is a common. X is also present here and also present. So x will be common as will be taken as common. So it will become a plus b and 2 x and plus a. It means that the fourth identity can be stated as square of the first term, square of the first term plus second term plus the fourth term. The fourth term multiplied by first term and plus second term multiplied by fourth term. Let us take an example and solve it using this identity. That is x plus 2 and 2x plus 3. So according to this identity square of the first term. So first term is x up, so it is equal to x whole square plus second term plus fourth term. Second term is a 2 and the fourth term is a 3 multiplied by first term. First term is a x and plus second term multiplied by fourth term. So second term is a 2 multiplied by third term is a 3. So it is equal to x square plus 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is 5 multiplied by x plus 2 3 is 6. So it is the final answer of this mathematical identity. X square plus 5x plus 6. So the fourth mathematical identity can be stated as square of the first term. This is the first term, so we will take the square of the first term and plus second term plus fourth term. Second term is a and fourth term is b. So they will be added and then x will be multiplied with the first term multiplied by first term and then plus second term multiplied by fourth term. Second term is a and fourth term is b. But here the second term is 2 and the third term is 3. So 2 and 3 will be multiplied. So we can solve the different question by using this identity. If you remember this identity, you can solve any question regarding this mathematical identity. Thank you.